Many blessings. I'm Trey Urban, also known as your energy alchemista. I'm on a mission to inspire people like you to unlock their superhero potential and live lives filled with vitality, purpose, and joy. You see, after a life changing car accident for me, I decided that paralysis was not going to define me. Instead, I went on this amazing journey, learning from healers around the world about the power of the four energy body connection. Now I'm sharing what I learned in a multitude of ways: individualized wellness plans, energy healing, transformational mentoring, or workshops utilizing my collaborative number one best selling book in 13 different countries. It's named Healthapedia. I want to show men and women how to tap into their inner strength, overcome challenges, and live happier, healthier lives. My story is a reminder that we all have the power to shine no matter what life throws at us. So I invite you to embark on this adventure with me, and let's make a positive impact in the world.